Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. This is the very first vlog we are doing this year. Please ignore my bed, it's so messy, but I don't want to do it right now. The plan for today, I want to go and get groceries because I'm planning to cook something. I tried cooking once and I loved it so much. I'm making okra today. I am one person who I don't like going to do grocery shopping when the place is so crowded. So it's 9:30 right now. I'm just gonna hop into the shower. I'm not even having breakfast. I'll probably do all of that when I'm back. So let's go.
I need to give it up. Forever. I try to live, but I can't. Can I get more? I don't know why I don't want. Turn me out of my mind.
So I'm all done. Blouse, Shein, bag, H&M's. My pants, I thrifted them 2 years ago. And for sandals, this is what I'm wearing. This is from Shein as well. Now let's go to the grocery shopping. And now I'm back home. I'll probably make some breakfast because I am so hungry. Then from there I'll start maybe preparing to cook, but that will be much later after my breakfast. Yeah, so I'm done eating my breakfast. It was so delicious. I had some slices of brown bread and some eggs and bacon and Milo. Milo is like chocolate. I feel so full. I feel good, but not really good, because can somebody tell me why menstruation cramps always have to choose the wrong timing? I mean, why today? I feel so sick. Not really sick, but I know the girlies, of course, understand what I'm saying when I say menstruation cramps, because you always feel like you're not feeling your best self. And I do have a lot to do. The house is such a mess, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. This is when I don't really push my body to do much. What I'm gonna do right now, I have a series I've been following. It's on Netflix, super dope. It got me so hooked. If you don't have anything you're watching currently, I really recommend the movie. So I didn't finish an episode last night. I left it, I think by 20 minutes I'll be done. So I'll probably loosen up, remove these clothes, because I just feel so tight right now. Wear comfortable clothes. Finish the episode, not the movie. Finish the episode. Then I'll probably see you guys when I'm doing my dishes or when I'm making the bed. And I also have to cook okra, which is why I started with going to do grocery shopping in the morning. So I'll see you then. I'm done washing the dishes and I didn't even start watching the episode, the one that I said I'm gonna finish, because I just realized that there is nothing like I'm just gonna do half an episode. I know I'm just gonna find myself watching one more, and I'm probably not gonna do anything, and I will start doing it all in the evening, which I don't plan on doing anything at all in the evening. So what I did, I went and started doing the dishes immediately. The kitchen is all clean. Next, I want to change my beddings. I feel like I need some new bed sheets, and I'm gonna do that. Then next, my goodness, I'm gonna fold my clothes. The wardrobe is looking so crazy. It's like, I don't know what has been happening lately, but anyway, I'm gonna fix all of that. Probably that series, I will just chill with it after I'm done doing everything, so that I will not be like, after the movie I need to clean and all of that, which I don't want it to be that way. Okay, so now I'm almost done. Not quite, but at least I'm done with arranging the clothes. I'm done with tidying up the house. Now on to cooking, but first of all, let's just check what I got from the grocery. And actually, why is it that when we are doing house chores, you just don't get to finish what you're doing? Because I was doing something and then I'm finding myself I still need to do something else, and by the time I'm checking, it's almost been 3 hours. I don't know. And honestly, this makes me think about those women who are stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home wives. It's not easy, God. It's not really easy, because I feel like I'm already tired, honestly. But anyway, let's check what I got from the grocery and then I can start cooking okra. I'm already hungry anyways. These are the things that I went to and shopped at the grocery. This was not part of the list, but I realized I don't have these big rolls, which I usually need, especially for kitchen. And I also needed these Clorox wipes for my bathroom. They are really come in handy. Then I have beef and shaki for my okra. And then here I have the okra. Then next I got some blueberries, some cherry tomatoes, got some apples. They looked so fresh, I couldn't help but get them. It's about that time of the month. I had to get this pack. And some bell peppers, chili peppers. This one are the spicy ones, because I want that okra a little bit spicy, not too much though. And that's it. Because the rest, I have everything else I need here at home. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cooking, because there is no way I want to cook at night. I want to cook much earlier, because like I mentioned, I'm not really feeling that okay. So I'm gonna cook. I'll probably finish that series today, because I'm on the last episode anyways. So yeah, that's what's up. So let's cook okra. So here I have shaki or goat meat, and over here on the next pot I have beef. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some salt. I usually boil them with salt and black pepper. Black pepper as well. And I'll leave this to boil. Then I'll just go ahead and start preparing my okra. I just can't believe that I went for grocery early in the morning and I forgot to buy onion. So I'm in the middle of boiling the meat. Once I'm done, I'm just like, okay, can I check if I have onion? I don't have onion. I literally had to wait for 15 minutes. I had to order. This is what happens when you just go to the grocery and you don't have a proper list, because that's what I did today. Anyway, let me continue cooking, and I am really hungry. I feel like I've done this all day. This is becoming hectic already. palm oil. Then after I put, I'm gonna also go in with this blended pepper. Next, for the okra, I'm adding this warm water. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Then I will just use my hand to massage. I'm doing this so that I can get that draw consistency. But for some people, they don't really like their okra to draw. I used to be like that before, but nowadays I really love my okra when it draws. So I'm just gonna like smash them together until I get a very thick consistency. I actually didn't know how to cook okra. I'm not saying I'm a pro. I'm really not a pro, but I had no idea how to do it before. I went on YouTube, and since I've been loving to try new recipes lately, especially food I've never had before, I found this lady on YouTube. I think her name is Kiki. Yeah, she brings a very nice guidance on how to cook okra. So most of the things that I'm doing right now is just basically what I learned from her video. So you see, this is the consistency I'm saying. I know for some people this is gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's so disgusting. Like for me, I never used to like this thing before, honestly, especially when it draws. I used to be like, how can people eat that? Because you know, in Kenya even growing up at home, we never had okra, honestly. I've just come to try it out, and I've grown to love it, and it's so healthy actually. So this is the consistency, as you can see. This okra is so delicious. I had a really nice day today, waking up early, going to the mall, getting my groceries on time, coming back home, tidying up my place, and cooking okra, which was the main highlight of this vlog. If you haven't tried okra, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try okra. Right now, I feel like things are so easy, because if you don't know how to cook something, we have internet. Take advantage of that. I learned cooking mine on YouTube. It's so delicious, and I feel like a pro. Honestly, it's so delicious. Anyways, that was it for today's vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.